Hello, everybody. So we can take Maclaurin series that we already know and use them to get different Maclaurin series. So we already have the Maclaurin series for e to the negative 2x. That was n equals 0 to infinity, negative 1 to the n, 2 to the n, n factorial x to the n. Now, notice that if I take e to the negative 2x here, and if I plug in a negative a half x, what I'll get is e to the x. So, to get the Maclaurin series for e to the x, I'm going to make the replacement. X becomes negative a half x in this guy right here. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Starting at 0 still. 2 to the n factorial negative a half x. Then we get negative 1 to the n, 2 to the n factorial as before. But this guy's got a bunch of stuff in it. It's got a negative 1 to the n. It's got a 2 to the n downstairs and an x to the n upstairs. Okay, 2 to the n cancels with 2 to the n, of course. Now if I look at these two, I can see that they're both plus 1 or they're both minus 1. In either case, they cancel. So we get this series, which is just x to the n over n factorial. Okay, so this turns out to be actually equal to e to the x with a radius of convergence equal to infinity. That's beyond the course, this equality, and, well, the radius of convergence is not beyond the course, but this equality is a bit beyond this course. But anywho, we have this series, and this is one series that I will have you memorize, in addition to these other ones here. So here's the four that you will have to memorize. And we'll be using these sort of given, memorized Maclaurin series to derive different ones.